All right, welcome to Big Al's Eats, our first episode. Today, we are going to see if we can smoke a steak. Join us. First of all, I want to address what's going on in our country right now. You don't matter for that, the world. I've had this idea for this channel for a long time. Been talking with the family about how to do it. Then come along the COVID-19 virus, kind of slowed us down a little bit. We decided we weren't going to do it, but then we kind of talked a little bit more and changed our mind. We thought people staying at home need a little more entertainment, so we're going to see what we can smoke. And we're going to smoke anything that will fit in my smoker, and I have a pretty big smoker, so let's get started. So you know what you're asking me, Big Al, I know. Why do you want to smoke a perfectly nice piece of meat? Smoking's made to make less desirable pieces of meat edible, but we're going to try to smoke everything and anything. So the first one's going to be ribeye steaks. Look at that nice marbling in that meat. It's beautiful, beautiful. Going to taste great in the smoker, I guarantee it. So we're going to just do a simple seasoning. A little salt, okay? So I'll sprinkle a little salt on there. You can put whatever seasoning you want. Okay, a little pepper, okay? And a little garlic powder, okay? Just sprinkle that on there. We got 2 pieces of meat, you see that? One we're gonna smoke. And so we can get a taste test and see which one's better. We're actually gonna do one on the stove top. So we're gonna taste test them both. And we're doing this in front of a live studio audience today. I mean, how good is that? Granted, it is only 6 of us in here, underneath the 10, restriction, and it's all family. So, again, season these up. Okay. A little garlic powder, a little salt, a little pepper. Okay, let's go ahead and season this one up. We'll be ready to put that right on the oven. Okay. Flip that over. All right. So, when we put this in the smoker, we're going to smoke it at 240. We're going to have a thermometer. I know. Again, Big Al, the good guys, they don't use thermometers. They can feel it. They know when it's ready. I know. I could probably do that too, but we're going to use a thermometer. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and take this one out to the smoker right now, so join us out there. All right. Okay, so now we're out the smoker. Lovely big smoker here. We see that? It's old. It's a great smoker. Cherry wood or apple wood. I do the mild fruit woods on all of my smokes. Occasionally I play around with some hickory, but I just love the mild taste of a little bit of. So, now put that one log in. And that's really all we're going to need. All right, get that thing shut up. Okay, again, we're gonna smoke this at 240, and we want to get it to, a medium is what we're looking for here, 155 to 160. If you want it a little bit medium rare, of course, you're gonna just go to 135. All right. So I'm gonna take one of my meter. We'll do a whole show of that at some time. This is a wireless meat thermometer. We're gonna stick it right in that beautiful piece of steak, so we can watch the temperatures. Okay, there it is. All right, so we're gonna put her on the smoker. Right here looks like a great place to put her. Again, 240. Probably gonna look at this again, probably gonna take about 40 minutes maybe. We'll kind of see, again, watching the temperature. And let's go back inside and let's get started making one on the stove. All right, so now we got that one on the smoker. We're gonna take this other one, beautiful piece of meat. Yes, we're gonna take it, we're gonna do it on the stovetop. We're gonna sear it on 30 seconds on each side, just to lock in those beautiful juices right into this piece of meat. Then we're gonna stick it in the oven. I've already got it preheated to 500 degrees with a sheet pan in there, heat it up. Put it 2.5 minutes on one side, flip it over 2.5 minutes on the other side. You know, on the stovetop, we want that as hot as we can get it, just to sear that in. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna catch me at the stove. All right, so we got this meat in here. We're on the stovetop. Again, this is a high heat. You don't want to put anything in this. We're gonna lock in the flavor. I mean, just listen to this thing sizzle. Oh, that's what you want. Oh yeah, we're just cooking that in there. And again, we're gonna do 30 seconds on each side, okay? Hear that sizzling? Oh, just lock it in those beautiful juices. Big Al, I wanna taste it. We're gonna taste this afterward, and I wish you could join us. But, you know, with this COVID-19 stuff going on, you can't. So we're going to be taste testing this with my family. The one in the smoker versus the one on the stovetop and finishing it in the oven method. Oh yeah, we're good. We're getting there. Again, all that smoke just burling up there. You can hear the sizzle, 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 locking in those juices. All right, let's flip this thing over. Oh, look at that. Look at how that just seared those beautiful juices in. Oh, we're gonna cook this to, we're gonna do a medium or to a medium well. You know, I said out there 155, 160, that may be a little too hot for you. We're gonna try to go 145, 150. We wanna get right in the middle there. I don't wanna cook this meat to death. I want to make sure that we lock in the juices and then have it really nice and just a little pink on the inside. So that's what we're doing here. Okay, again, 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side, and here we go. We're gonna open this oven up. Again, I've already got a pan in here. It's already been heating up to that 500 degrees. We're gonna take this meat off of there. We're gonna put it right in the middle there. It's been at 500 degrees. We're gonna take some butter. Butter makes everything better. Butter. So let's put that on there just to let it help juice that side up. Okay, so we're gonna save a little bit for when we flip it. Put this back in there. Oh yeah, we can smell it. Smell the juices. Oh. All right, now it's been on there about 2.5 minutes cooking in this oven. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I wish you could smell that. It's just so beautiful. Flip that thing over. More butter. Again, butter's gonna make it better. Just keep them juices in there. Oh, what a beautiful sight to see. 2.5 more minutes and we're gonna be ready to eat it right after this. All right, she's ready. About 2.5 minutes on each side. It's gonna be a great, probably medium to medium well. Just how I like it. You can cook it however you want, you know. Woo, oh yeah, look at that. Just, man, I just wish you could really just get the whole full effect of that steak. Oh, she looks beautiful. Look how juicy that looks. Wow. Cannot wait to get the one off the smoker and try both of them. We're gonna do that right now. What we're gonna do, we have this one off of here. We're gonna take a little aluminum foil, we're just gonna kind of tint it. We're gonna let the juices work its way back in there for a couple minutes. And that gives me time to get the one off the smoker, do the same thing to it. And as soon as they're ready to go, we're gonna taste test. You don't wanna miss it. All right, we're out here. Southern Pride smoker. We're gonna do a lot more with this thing. Look how big it is. Again, we're gonna smoke anything we can fit in this thing. So you tell us what you want us to smoke, we'll do it. If it can fit in here, we're gonna try it. I don't care what it is. We're gonna try it, we're gonna taste test it. May not taste very good sometimes, but we're gonna do it. All right, woo, open that baby up. Let's get her out of here. Oh, where's she at? Such a big smoker, little piece of smoke and meat. Where's he at? Oh, coming around. Oh, ooh, smoky. Smoky, smoky, smoky. Look at all that beautiful seasoning on this thing. Oh, this makes great meat. Where is our meat? Oh, it's way over there on the other side. Oh, there she comes. Oh, just a carousel of love. Carousel of love. You gotta love it. Okay, the meat's coming around. We're gonna pull her off. She's a little over 140. We're gonna go, you know, it'll get a little bit hotter. We're gonna tint it a little bit when we get in there like we did with the one up there. Oh, look at that. Woo! Oh yeah, that's beautiful, beautiful. All right, time to go inside. All right, here we go. Woo! Look how beautiful that thing looks. Take our thermometer out. Again, you know, the professionals don't need them. I do. Okay, tint it up just a little bit. Gonna let it sizzle back in there and get all them juices back into the meat. A couple minutes, and we're gonna be ready to eat it. Here they are. We got this one right here is the one that was pan seared and then finished in the oven. This one here came off the smoker. Okay, so looking at these two just by looks, you know, this one looks a little juicier to me. I don't know about you, but you know, it's not got that smoky flavor. So let's go ahead and cut into them, see what it looks like. All right, so again, we're gonna cut that smoked one first. Oh, woo. It looks fantastic. Look at that. Oh. Still looks like it's going to be really a race to see which one's the best to me. Okay, so let's cut this one that's pan seared. Wow. Oh, I don't know. This one looks a little bit more done, so we may have cooked it a little longer. Both of them came out about 140, 145, so we're in that medium, you know. Oh, okay, so we're going to cut off some pieces. And we got some for everybody that's going around, so they can go ahead and grab their piece of the one pan seared. Okay, go ahead. Everybody grab a piece. Okay. Everybody trying it? Oh, wow. Maybe we shouldn't have started with that one. Wow, that is fantastic. I'm telling you. But I have faith in my smoker. I think the smoke, especially with that cherry wood, gonna put a little flavor in this thing, a little extra flavor. So let's slice off some pieces here so everybody can get a taste of this one. Again, we season these the same way, just cooked different ways. Oh, yeah. All right. I think we got enough pieces there. Everybody try your piece here. Okay, again, this is the one off the smoker, okay? Mom, get your piece. Okay, it's good. But I'm gonna tell you right now, pan seared oven, more tender. Absolutely more tender.
Smoked one, more flavorful.
I can really taste the smoke flavor. So maybe in the smoker, you know, maybe we'd put a little more butter on it. I put butter on that one too.
What's your granddog think of it?
I don't know. What does he think? Keppa like the smoke? Oh, here. Let's see what Keppa likes as far as the pan seared. I'm sure. Look, he's already looking around for more of it. I got to try some more of this right here. I mean, look at this. I mean, that you can't get any better than that. Oh. All right. There you have it. The winner is both of them. I think so. I think it's a tie.
That's not fair.
But it depends on how you like it. You know, to me, I like the smoky flavor, but the tenderness of the one that was pan seared and in the oven, oh, you can't recreate that very much. So I mean, you know, as a lean piece of meat, tested them both, worked out. I think the answer is I can smoke a steak, and it tastes pretty good. So, on these videos, we're going to do a lot of different things like this. We're going to smoke whatever we can. You tell us what you want us to smoke. We're also going to have little segments that are called, I saw that on the internet. Everybody's seen on social media. Those recipes that everybody, you know, puts on their page. Okay? I've seen them. Oh, they look good. Too lazy to get out of my chair and try them. We're going to do that right here, so don't miss it. The next episode next week, we're going to release these on Sunday. So next Sunday, our one will be, can I smoke a pizza? Woo. Do you guys think I can? We'll check out next week and we'll see, because we're going to try it just with regular dough. We're gonna try it pre-made dough, par-baked dough. We're gonna try it 3 or 4 different ways, and we're gonna have a pizza party right here next week. Join us. And again, I'm Big Al, and this is Big Al Eats.